guys, it's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian and personal trainer behind your favorite healthy living blog, Hungry Hobby, and I am back. After a 4-month maternity leave, no filming, no recipes, nothing. I am excited to be back today to share with you one of my most popular recipes. I know you guys love the oat flour recipes. I love the oat flour recipes, and this one's been gaining a lot of traction over on the blog. It is my oat flour blueberry muffins. I can't wait to show you how to make these today, but before we get started, if you're new here, please hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab so that you never miss a recipe, workout, nutrition tip, or brand new content. So with that, let's get started. So the first thing that you need for this recipe is oat flour. I have a whole video, one of my first early videos on how to make oat flour in the Vitamix like I have behind me or a food processor. So I'll link that video below if you need to know how to make oat flour. You can also buy oat flour at the store, but I highly discourage it most of the time because it is so easy to make. You just like pop it in the blender and blend it up and you have oat flour, and it's way cheaper to make than buy. So if you need a tutorial on that, like I said, click the link. Otherwise, you're gonna combine your oat flour with coconut sugar, or you can use brown sugar if you don't like to use coconut sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and salt. And you're going to whisk or stir that all up so it's really well combined. One thing I will tell you is I keep oat flour in my kitchen all the time, and if you do too, make sure that you break up any clumps that have accumulated in your oat flour from it sitting for a little while. Once you have your dry ingredients combined, you're going to get another bowl, a medium-sized bowl, and you're going to add eggs, vanilla, milk, and honey. You can substitute flax eggs here. You can substitute maple syrup for honey to make these vegan. And you're gonna whisk that together. And then combine your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, just like any good quick bread. And once it's all mixed up, you can add in your blueberries. Once you add in your blueberries, you're ready to fill your muffin cups. I spray them with a little bit of oil. I also typically use, like you see in the video, a silicone baking tray because I just do not like to clean muffin tins. Your batter should make 12 muffins. I like to use an ice cream scoop to quickly divide them all up, but you can use a spoon or pour it in or whatever you want to do. And then I like to sprinkle the top of mine with a little bit of brown sugar or coconut sugar. Usually I use coconut sugar. This just gives them a nice yummy glaze. So that's optional, but highly recommended. And then you'll bake them for 16 to 18 minutes until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. And then let them sit for about 5 or 10 minutes if you can before diving in. And these will keep best in the fridge up to a week. Although honestly, we've had ours in the fridge longer than that sometimes when I make a double batch, and they last like 2 weeks. But the disclaimer here is they should last at least up to a week in the fridge. And I don't recommend keeping them on the counter. Oat flour and the blueberries, it might get moldy pretty fast. So you can keep them on the counter for about a day, and then after that transfer them to the fridge. They are freezer friendly. Once they cool completely, you can throw them in the freezer and have them whenever you want for up to 3 months, and just defrost either on the counter or probably in the fridge would be best overnight, and then you can pop them in the microwave or eat them cold, whatever you want to do. So this recipe has gained a lot of popularity, and it's honestly my son's favorite muffin recipe that I make of all time. He's not super into the banana breads I make, but he loves a blueberry muffin. So I hope you, and if you have kids, your kids enjoy this just as much as we do. Leave me a comment and let me know if you try it. Otherwise, if you're new here, like I said, hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab so that you never miss a healthy recipe or sometimes workouts and nutrition tips. And with that, I'll see you guys next time. Happy to be back.